Welcome to IOSI. Our mission is to qualify and train the best developers for the market, enabling our students to excel in their professions. We have a modern and creative physical structure. However, our main means of action is online. We are a reference in distance learning, and we have created our own methodology called RAL, Remote Assistance Learning. It allows the student to connect and use our equipment anywhere in the world, without the need to buy a MacBook, for example. We have two teaching platforms, IOSI Plus and IOSI Live. IOSI Plus is dedicated to recorded online courses that students can watch whenever and wherever they want. The student can monitor his own performance, and at the end of the course, an evaluation is released to test his level of knowledge. IOSI Live is for those who want personalized follow-up. In it, classes are online and live, and the students will have access to MacBooks remotely through the RAL methodology. Both platforms go beyond national boundaries, as the courses are also available in English for an international audience. Finally, we have created a book titled The Development Journey, which is available in English and Portuguese, aimed at those interested in learning how to develop for the upper platforms.